WCBI First Alert AccuWeather forecast with meteorologist Jackson Chastain.
All right, so we've got plenty of flood warnings in the region. That's really the result of just the crazy amount of rain that we've gotten really over this past week. These flood warnings, this one from Monroe County expires on the 6th at about 1 a.m. So about a few more days to go. Thankfully, these water levels are dropping relatively quickly, about 3 feet a day in some of these places. So just crazy amounts of water drainage going on. But again, I mean, not a surprise. 4 inches of rain in places. Many of us got over at least 2 inches. A few of us got 3 inches. So it's just been kind of one of those experiences that doesn't happen that often, especially early in the year. It'll be good, I guess, because once we get to the summertime and we're not getting a lot of rain, it'll be nice to have been above average. We can kind of hold off on the drought maybe a little bit longer. But thankfully this week, rain not really too much of a consideration. Now we do have one rain chance. That's on Wednesday. It's associated with a cold front that's going to make its way on through, so something to watch, especially as we get to the mid part of the week. The rest of the week, though, very, very dry overall, and temperatures right now, you may not feel it, but it's going to start getting warmer, especially on your Sunday. Mid-30s, mid to upper 30s right now, maybe mid-40s if you're in West Point. Wow, about 10 degrees warmer there. So just a very, very cold night outside, and it's going to be getting just a tad colder, mid to low 30s in the overnight on Saturday. Now Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, check this out, mid-60s. Starts out in the low 60s and then we warm up. That's thanks to basically what's happening is a ridge of high pressure is going to clear out those skies, help those temperatures elevate just a little bit and give us some more milder conditions, I would say, for this time of year. I mean, this is February, folks. It's not April, it's not March. You typically don't see temperatures in the mid-60s at this time of year, so I think that's a nice little change. Now that cold front is going to make its way on through. That's going to be Wednesday, but it's not going to make the biggest dent in the world. In fact, you may not even notice it at all initially. I mean, it's a pretty weak front. You get to Thursday, temperatures really, I mean, they look about the same, so that's not the front we're worried about. We do have another front that's going to be kind of in our Friday into Saturday, and it's going to drop us down into the 40s, so that's the one that kind of returns us to normalcy. But really the rest of this week, I mean, it's about as good as it gets with all the sunshine. Rain coming in on Wednesday. After that, not a whole lot expected. Mid 40s, upper 40s, low 50s for some of these lows. Again, these lows as good as they can get. So folks, just go out and enjoy this week and really take advantage and just enjoy it as much as you can. And of course, we do have our WCBI Weather Roadshow. That is on February 9th. Begins at 6 p.m. at the Rent Auditorium on the MUW campus. It's free admission, so I see no reason why not to show up. So I hope to see you guys there. We've got more coming up after this break.